The holidays are fast approaching, and now is the perfect time to go in and refresh those areas that are long overdue. For me, it is definitely our linen closet, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank JCPenney for teaming up with us in order to do a glamorous refresh on our linen closet featuring the everyday luxurious towels from the Lionel Richie collection. Now, before we get started on doing some fall cleaning, I wanted to share with you guys exactly what the linen closet looked like before. It definitely had an organizational system at some point, but it was lost along the way and it became a catch-all because it was in the center of our home. So definitely this is an area that needed some refreshing, and I thought the perfect way to do that was to include some beautiful linens, and the Lionel Richie home collection is exclusively available at JCPenney. And you guys know I love luxury, but I love it at affordable prices, and so this collection definitely fits that principle for my life. We are going to start our purging process by removing all of the items from the linen closet so that we can evaluate exactly what we need, what we forgot that we had, that we absolutely needed, and then those things that are no longer of use to us that we could pass on to someone else and to bless someone else. And so here are all the items purged. I could not believe that we were able to fit this much stuff in that small closet. In my next life, I'll be a magician because I am awesome at making things disappear. You see? So this closet is completely clean and it is a clean slate. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some baskets to kind of style it to see exactly where I want the things to go. And I want to consider my guests because I do want them to be accessible to them and easy to reach and easy to find. Now I will admit that the welcome piece is definitely there for the aesthetics. Yes, I just wanted them to have that element of surprise once they open our linen closet door. You guys know I'm all about living luxuriously for less, and just, doing those little small touches can really make your guests feel welcomed. Now that I have the throws and the other toiletries in place, I am ready to start folding towels. Now, I was talking to my father the other day. He absolutely loves JCPenney towels, and actually the ones that we had before, the white ones that we have transitioned to, they were from JCPenney, and he had given them to me over like 15 years ago, and he swears that he had those for like 30 years. And I'm telling you guys, they were still holding up. I just wanted to go with a different color scheme for our closet. I'm all about the coordination, and that is one of the things that I am loving about this Lionel Richie home collection. It has so many different easy to match and coordinating pieces, the towels and the sheets, and it just gives you this very luxurious and aesthetically pleasing look. And I absolutely love having them as an addition in our closet. I wanted it to give it a very glam and luxurious and, type makeover. Something that, our guests would definitely enjoy while they are visiting, and something that I actually enjoy looking at as I'm opening the door to put away the linens and things of that nature. So I absolutely love the fact that these coordinate with the existing colors that we have in our closet. And when you coordinate colors, it just naturally makes your space look more organized and more refreshed and, just more aesthetically appealing overall. And I definitely wanted to add that pop of glam with the glitter accents that you see throughout the closet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me making over our linen closet. It was definitely something that was well needed, and I am so ecstatic that this is one of the items that has been checked off of my list of things to do. And yes, it was definitely long overdue. So I hope that this video has inspired you to get a head start in the area in your home that is long overdue. It feels so great. And then once you get those things done, you can do the fun stuff like shopping at JCPenney. I absolutely love finding the amazing deals. They are a one-stop destination for a variety of stylish and affordable fashion and home decor and merchandise. If you guys did not get to see this video, I did a weekend fall vlog on shopping with me, and I went to JCPenney. They are always having incredible deals, and if you'd like to hear more about how I saved and was able to secure some luxurious finds for less, I will leave that link down below, along with all of the other links to the Lionel Richie collection and the other amazing things that they have to offer. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!